Imagine your supervisor asks, "What's the quality issue?" You answer, "There are scratches." Then your supervisor asks, "Why?" You don't know what to say. Then comes the next question. "So, what should we do now?" Again, silence. The problem isn't your English. The problem is how you organize your report. Today, I'll teach you one simple formula that helps you report quality issues clearly and professionally. Now, let me give you the mental model. Here's today's formula. Problem, cause, action. Think of it like a traffic light. Red tells people what's wrong. Yellow explains what may have caused it. Green tells everyone what to do next. Whenever you report a quality issue, simply remember: problem, cause, action. Simple, clear, professional. Let's try real factory scenario. Imagine you're a QC inspector during final inspection. You discover scratches on several products. Many people stop here. There are scratches. But that's only the beginning. A professional report sounds like this. Problem: there are scratches on 5 units. Cause: they were likely caused during packaging. Action: let's inspect the remaining batch and separate the affected units. See the difference? Your team immediately knows what's wrong, what may have caused it, and what needs to happen next. That's exactly how engineers and QC teams communicate every day. Before we practice, learn these mission list with 8 words. Defect, a quality problem. Scratch, a mark on the surface. Crack, a break in the material. Out of specification, not meeting the required standard. Inspection, checking product quality. Batch, a group of products made together. Rework, repairing a product so it meets requirements. Reject, refuse to accept a product. You'll use every one of these words in today's quiz. It's time for the interactive quiz. Remember today's formula? Red, problem. Yellow, cause. Green, action. Pause the video before each explanation. Question 1. Situation. A QC inspector found marks on 5 products. Which report is better? A. There are 5 defects. Let's inspect the remaining batch. B. There are scratches on 5 units. Let's inspect the remaining batch. Answer B. Why? Both reports follow problem action, but scratch is more specific than defect. Using precise vocabulary makes your report clearer. Question 2. Situation. 10 products did not meet the required dimensions. Which report is more professional? A. 10 products are the wrong size. The machine settings may need to be checked. B. 10 products are out of specification. The machine settings may need to be checked. Answer B. Why? Both reports include problem, cause, but out of specification is the standard manufacturing expression. Professional vocabulary makes your communication more accurate. Question 3. Situation. Several products cannot be shipped immediately. Which report is better? A. Several products are out of specification. They may have been damaged during production. They need repair before shipment. B. Several products are out of specification. They may have been damaged during production. They need rework before shipment. Option B. Why? Both reports follow the complete structure: problem, cause, action. But rework is the standard manufacturing term. It means bringing a product back to the required standard. Question 4. Your turn. Situation. During the final inspection, you found a crack on several products. The customer decided to reject the batch. Can you report the situation using problem, cause, action? Try to include these words: inspection, crack, reject, batch. One possible answer is, during the final inspection, we found cracks on several products. The damage may have occurred during transportation. The customer rejected the batch, so let's inspect the remaining products and separate the affected units. There are many possible answers. The important thing is following today's reporting formula. Question 5. One final challenge. Situation. During the final inspection, you found several defects in one batch. Some products can still be reworked. Can you give a complete report using problem, cause, action? Try to include these words: inspection, defect, batch, rework. Here's one example. During the final inspection, we found several defects in one batch. The issue may have been caused during assembly. Let's separate the batch and rework the affected units. Remember, there isn't only one correct answer. If your report clearly explains the problem, the possible cause, the next action, you're communicating like a professional. Here's a communication habit that experienced engineers use. Don't stop after reporting the problem. Many people simply say, "There are 20 NG parts," and then stay silent. But your manager is already thinking about 3 questions. What's the problem? Why did it happen? What should we do now? So whenever you report an issue, always finish with a suggested action. For example, wrong. There are 20 NG parts. Correct. There are 20 NG parts. The issue appears to come from the molding process. Let's hold this batch until we complete the inspection. Notice something important. You don't need to know the exact cause. Professional engineers often say, appears to be, maybe, is likely caused by. These expressions help you sound professional without making assumptions. Report the facts, suggest the likely cause, recommend the next action. That's exactly how effective manufacturing communication works. Today, you learned one simple reporting formula: problem, cause, action. Whenever you report a quality issue, don't stop after describing the problem. Help your team understand what's wrong, why it happened, what to do next. That's what professional communication looks like. If you'd like to practice more real factory English, visit our website to take today's interactive quiz, get instant feedback, and explore our business English courses designed specifically for manufacturing professionals. I'll see you in the next lesson.